Hey everyone, so welcome to today's lesson on named ranges in Excel. Named ranges are the powerful Excel features that allow us to assign meaningful names to individual cells or group of cells instead of using standard cells difference like A1, A2, A3, and so forth. This makes our work easier to understand, especially when dealing with large dataset or complex formulas. For example, instead of writing sum of A1 up to A20, you can write sum of cells because you named A1 up to A20 as cells. This improves clarity, reduce error, and make formulas easier to read and maintain. Named ranges are commonly used in formula data analysis, dashboards, charts, and lookup formulas. They help users organize data more efficiently and more professional in Excel. Now, by the end of this lesson, you should be able to define name ranges, create and manage them, and apply them confidently. Now, let's get started and see how we can use name range. Under our dataset, which is sales dataset, we have the column J. That is the total revenue. So now you can see that once you click on the column, you are going to get its rata or corresponding sales name under here. Now, once we are going to use length name, we are going to come here and select the entire column. Now, after selecting entire column, we can get data name. Now, like previously, it was given this name. Now, suppose it doesn't have a name, so we can give it like total revenue, and we use underscore to make it one name, like this one. This is the name of our cell, which is very good. So it means once we are looking for the sum of this one, we don't need to use the odd method, which is the sum of J1 up to J21, because 21 is the last cell. Now this is the answer. So now if we use the new method about named ranges, we have to use sum, then we call it total revenue. We have it as you can see here. Now we choose the total revenue and then cross it. As you can see, after choosing the total revenue, the entire column is selected. So the answer is going to be this, as you can see. Now, however, the second method is more professional because anyone who is going to read this one is going to understand what is already said. However, once you click on this one, you're going to see J1, J2 up to J21, which is not giving a very good meaning. Now let us do the study one about J. Now this is the unit price, so we can also call it a price. As so far, you can see once we select the entire column, we can give as the name. Now let's call it like unit price, which is very good. So now as we have the unit price, we can find the average of unit price. The first thing, which is the hour you are using, with the name range, we can use unit price, which is this one. After clicking on it, you see now we have selected the entire column. We can find the average of unit price. So once you use the odd method, we already know which is the average. We are supposed to come here, select this one, and then up to J21, which is this one. Okay, the answer gonna be the same. Sorry, they make a mistake because I'm using the sum instead of using the average. Okay, good. So once we use this, the answer is gonna be the same. As you can see here, the difference is here is in dollar, why here is not in German francs. Okay, so sorry, there's no dollar sign. However, you can also put the dollar. It is okay. That is how to use the name range, and I hope as so far you can define name ranges, create and manage them, and also you can apply them confidentially in your Excel tasks. Thank you so much. Now let us meet in the next video running more about how to use different tricks in Excel. See you there.